Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Thank you again for joining me. I know today I look kind of like a mess. I'm not gonna lie, I just woke up. My husband has been like really sick. He got it from me. I was sick last week. So I was going to do my hair and then he got sick and then I ended up taking a nap with him and woke up in a panic because I'm like, I have to do my video. So anyway, I decided to kind of leave my hair so you could see what my hair looks like. It is a bit of a mess. You can see it's actually really naturally curly, but I never wear it curly. So I wanted to show you what I put in my hair to kind of calm this mess down. So if you have very curly, unruly hair, this is something that I like to put in my hair when I kind of sleek it down. I never wear my hair down for work. It's, you know, because I need it out of my face. But I love the cocoa butter moisturizing hair oil, which I repeated, I don't know why, but this is what it looks like right here. It smells like cocoa. I love it. So what I like to do is just kind of spray a little bit. It gives your hair a little bit of a shine, and see how it kind of calms it down. So if you do leave your hair curly and you just want to refresh those curls, I love to use this and my Kristinez leave-in conditioner. So these two I love. I don't use them together. I'll just use one or the other depending, you know, on the situation of my curl. And this one does make your hair a little bit of greasy, like leaves it a little greasy. So if you don't have really thick hair, you might want to use this one instead. So then what I like to do is I just kind of like to comb it down. See how it just kind of made it really nice and shiny. I love this brush from Forever 21. I always buy my brushes from Forever 21 because they're just like really cute and pink and sassy. Pink is my favorite color. So anyway, today we're going to do kind of like a little pinky look. And yeah, so see how my ponytail is a bit crazy? So sometimes that's not enough. I'm actually just going to put this in there to show you, but I do use one or the other. But see how that just kind of calms it down and it keeps the hair from being like really frizzy. And that's it. That's what I like to do, just to kind of calm that hair down. But usually it gets messy with my glasses right here. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I'm going to use is my Tarte Brightener Days. I got this in my FabFitFun what is it, box add-ons, and I really like this, especially when I use my Double Wear by Estee Lauder, because that keeps my face really nice and matte. Even though I have my voice change, even though I have nice oily skin, when I use that, it kind of controls my oily skin. So I like a little bit of a dewiness. And sometimes lately when I've been going to work, I haven't been wearing any foundation, so I just like to put this on. So that is what it looks like. And then we're going to go ahead and use our Natural Radiant foundation. It's just really nice and light. It feels really good. I'm going to use my Jaclyn Hill brush. I'm just going to apply that everywhere. Yeah, so my husband has been really sick. I got better and then he got sick, but he has something different than I do. I had like a really bad sinus infection and a cold. I think he just has the flu. I literally thought I was going to have to take him to the emergency room because his stomach was like killing him. And he was like moaning, like, oh God, I don't like to see him in pain. So finally he took a nap and I fell asleep with him. So now he's asleep. Hopefully he just gets better. Instead of worse like me, I just kept getting worse. I love this foundation, it's beautiful. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my Fenty concealer that I have been loving lately. And then I'm going to take, I always have hair everywhere. Hair, always hair. Where is that hair? Okay, I'm just going to ignore it because I don't know where it's at. I'm going to take my Juno sponge. Just kind of blend that everywhere. And then I just kind of go on top of my eyelids. And then I'm going to take my Fenty powder that I have been obsessed. Okay, so my entire, and this is in the color Butter. My entire face will get a little bit shiny unless I wear my double wear. And then my under eyes will stay completely matte and perfect. So I've I've been obsessed with my Fit Me powder. So if you don't want to spend the money on this one, the Fit Me powder by Maybelline is amazing. Those two are like, besides Laura Mercier, I love these powders. I want to try the lilac. I haven't gotten around to getting that one yet. And then I just kind of go all over my face. Now I'm going to take my Super Stay powder, and then I'm just going to kind of brush that on my forehead. So areas get really shiny. And then we are going to do our eyebrows, and I'm going to use my Wet n Wild. And I never do my eyebrows online because I feel, or on camera, I should say, because I feel like it just takes a really long time for me to do them. But I'm going to go ahead and do it if I can open my little Jeffree Star Compact that I love. I'm still growing my eyebrows out. They're kind of a mess. So I need to kind of hide the messiness. And surprisingly, I love this little pencil right here. Is like $3. It's light. It's creamy, which normally I like a harder pencil. It's a little creamy, but it's not creamy where it moves around and does crazy stuff. It has nice pigment to it. So I really like it. I still have not gotten my favorite one yet. And then I just kind of comb them out a little bit. I don't like my eyebrows to look like they're sharpened, like Sharpie, what is it called? Like a Sharpie eyebrows. So this one's completely different than the other one because I had them done and somebody took the little tail off. And then of course I take the tweezers in the car and I start messing with them, and I shouldn't do that because I can't see without my glasses. So this one is completely different than the other one. Then I just kind of comb them out. Voila, natural eyebrows. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and go into this. This is my Jeffree Star. I love the packaging. This is Siberian Gold. I mentioned this about 100 times. I just like to go over my eyelid a little bit. Usually when I go to work, this is the eyeshadow. Well, this is a highlighter, but this is what I normally just put on my eyes by itself. And then I put like lots of mascara. And then I'll go ahead and put liner and off I go. So we're going to put that all over. Kind of gives your eyes like a little wet effect. And then we're going to go into Huda Nude. This is a great palette. I'm going to get my Jaclyn Hill brush. I'm going to go into this color right here. I'm just going to place that all over my lid. So we're just going to do a nice soft pinky look. I wanted to do this for Valentine's, but I could always just do a different look. But this is just a really nice, a soft pink. And I've been like obsessed with this palette. It is the best palette ever. All right, then I'm going to go ahead and go into this color right there. And my fingernails are still going strong. I've been putting on my Kiss Petites. These are great because I have like children fingers and they've been staying on. The other day they were kind of popping off everywhere. But I've had these on since last week and they've been going good. Okay. So now I'm going to get my little Jaclyn Hill brush. I'm going to go into this color again. And I'm just going to smoke this out underneath. So what do you guys like to do for Valentine's? I want to do something romantic for my hubby. And I want to cook something romantic and like do the whole nice dinner at home. But do you guys like to go out? What do you guys do for Valentine's? Can you guys give me some ideas? Because our idea of staying home and having dinner is just getting our little trays and watching Little House on the Prairie. That's what we do. Okay, so I'm obsessed with the new ColourPop mascara. I love the wand. I think this is like one of my favorite mascaras ever because it builds up my lashes quickly. They don't make them clumpy or anything like that. It's just a really nice mascara. And I always have to put my mascara on before I apply my eyeliner. I don't know why. It's like a guide for me or something. Because whenever I apply my liner without mascara, it doesn't feel right. So yes, I've really been enjoying this ColourPop. It came in that mystery bag. I hope they come back with those mystery bags because those bags were great. It had like a lot of great stuff in there. And for $25, cannot go wrong. Okay, so I'm not going to put too much on there because I'm going to just put lashes on. I just always have to have mascara. But see how I made them kind of long and it didn't take long. All right, now I'm going to go into this ColourPop Drop of a Hat blush. And I kind of go all over the place when I'm doing my makeup. So I'm just going to apply that on the apples of my cheek and I'm just going to feather that back. And this is really pretty because it has like a really nice sheen to it. I know, I always kind of go in a circular motion. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and get my liquid liner. And this was nice because it has like a little curve to it. And I'm just going to give myself a little bit of a wing liner. I gotta hold this thing funny. A little wing. Okay, I'm gonna let that dry for a second. Now I'm gonna go into my favorite part ever. And this is my Fenty Fussy, or Fussy. What do I want to say? I always want to say Fussy. It's a Fussy. And this is what it looks like. It's a really pretty soft pink. It smells so good. It smells like the other one. And I always like to go outside my natural lip line just so that they look naturally pouty. Now I'm going to go into my Marc Jacobs. I'm going to go into this cranberry color, and I'm actually going to use my finger. And I'm just going to put a little bit in the middle. Because we don't want anything crazy, just nice, soft, pinky colors. All right, now I'm gonna go off camera and do my eyelashes, and I'll be back in a second. Okay, so now I have my lashes on. I did use my eyelure 126s. I love these. These are available at Ulta. Now I'm gonna go ahead, go in a little bit more with that Marc Jacobs Cranberry. I'm just going to add a little bit more underneath. And then I'm gonna go into that pretty, like shimmery brown, just add some at the end. And then I'm going to go ahead with the fluffy brush, and I'm just going to make sure everything is nice and smoky on top. And then I'm going to go back in with this nice little shimmer right here and just kind of go over everything. And then I'm going to go in with my Sonia Kashuk little bronzer, a little cream bronzer. I'm just going to bronze my face, or the perimeter of my face. This is a great cream bronzer because it just blends out beautifully. A little bit of product goes on a long way. And it's not that expensive, which is even better because I love my drugstore products. Then I'm going to go ahead and go into my Tarte's Glow. I'm going to get this pinky color. I like to kind of mix pinks and peaches together. And this does have a little bit of a shimmer. Now I'm going to go in with one of my favorite highlighters, and this is the Butter Bronzer Rose. A little bit on my nose. And then I'm going to go in with my Kopari Coconut Rose Toner. This is a great refresher. And that's it. Just a really nice, soft, smoky, cranberry, pinkish kind of look that's wearable with the nice, fluffy lashes. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know what your Valentine favorite things to do. Let me know if you really enjoy me doing like these little tutorials, because I really love to hear down below in the comments. I love to read them. Anyway, please give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe, and I'll see you again for my next one. Bye.